You're standing in the meat aisle staring at me like I'm a mystery novel. Look at my marbling. Those little white lines running through me are intramuscular fat, and that's what makes me juicy and flavorful. No marbling means no flavor. Put that flat, sad-looking steak right now! I'm supposed to be bright red, you genius! If I'm turning brown or gray, that means I've been sitting here way too long, and I'm oxidizing! Cherry red means fresh, brown means move on with your life! Feel the package before you grab me! If there's a ton of liquid pooling at the bottom of my tray, that means my cells are breaking down and I've been frozen and thawed and I'm losing all my moisture. A little juice is fine, but if it looks like a swimming pool, put me back! You keep grabbing the cheapest chicken in the case without even looking at me. Check if I'm firm, not slimy, and my skin should be creamy white to deep yellow, not gray and not sticky. If I smell like anything other than absolutely nothing, put me down and walk away! Thickness matters, and I'm tired of pretending it doesn't. If you grab a steak that's half an inch thin, you're gonna overcook me in 30 seconds flat. Go at least 1 inch thick. Inch and a half is even better. Thin steak are for people who hate flavor! I'm a salmon fillet, and if my flesh is dull and falling apart in the package, I am not the one! My flesh should be vibrant orange ring, firm to the touch, and there should be no milky white film on top. That film means I'm old, and you deserve better than that! Stop ignoring the butcher counter and only buying the prepackaged stuff! Walk up to the counter and ask for a custom cut. You can get the exact thickness, the exact weight, and it was probably cut that morning instead of sitting in plastic for 3 days. Now you actually know how to pick meat like somebody who respects their dinner. You stop wasting money on garbage cuts and start eating like you mean it! Go!